Alright guys, so here's a requested video by Jordan Yu. And also one that I haven't got to in a while, and don't mind my mess here, it's just a mess over there. And then that I'm still fixing, and that one I'm gonna get to making a video of. And then there's a little fan back there that I use when I'm working on stuff. It's a little SMC. Anyway, not the point. Here's a GE box fan from, I think, the 60s or 70s. I'm not sure, but I know it has the model number on the bottom, or at least I think so. It's been sitting for a while, so, and it doesn't have a plug on it either, but I could just slip this in here. Doesn't really matter. It'll still work as long as it stays like that. There we go. Let's see if it works. No. Dang it. Stay in there. Come on. Okay. Dang it. Go the other way. Okay. Anyway, so it's a 2-speed GE box fan. It has the switch on the side. This was actually missing its switch. I put the 3-speed switch on it from my 3-speed one all the way over there. And that one has a burnt out motor. Anyway, I think this one's older though. But on the back here, I'll just lay it down. You can see it's pretty dirty, but it's not that bad. Inside the motor there, see the windings are kind of interestingly done on these motors. I'm not sure what kind of motors these are, or GE just made them themselves or not, but yeah. It's a pretty cool blade. Could use a little bit more pitch and maybe a stronger motor, but it's alright. These things work just fine. And this one does need maybe a little bit of cleaning up and some oil in the motor, and it'll run better. So, but either way, it's a GE 2-speed, and I'll put it on low for you. Takes forever to spin up too. This thing needs oiled. And the grill vibrates. I think it's loose at the bottom left corner. Also, there's a little thing on the switch there that flaps around. So, yeah. Pretty quiet, calm, low speed. Quite a bit of airflow. Not the most, but it still does move a little bit of air. It's actually moving that back there, even though it's not even facing it. But yeah. Okay. So, go up to high speed. It shakes a little bit. The hub inside there shakes. The fan doesn't have too much shaking itself. Of course, it's hard for me to hold the camera still. I don't have a tripod, but fan gets kind of loud on high, but it works just fine. I just need to put a new cord on it because I don't even have a plug over there. It's just in the surge protector. But yeah. So, and the cord comes out the side there. There's the side of it, and then the other side here. Surprisingly, it still has its original handle. That's something the dead one over there doesn't have. Also, the dead one has a shroud going around there. This one doesn't. So I'll give you a spin down time. Actually, not too bad. For needing oil, not too bad. It was squeaking earlier when I tested it, but yeah. And I do not recommend using your fan without a plug. If you can put a plug on it, do not use your fan around the house without that. That's a safety and fire hazard. I'm only doing it because it's only for a short amount of time and for testing. I'll actually take it out right now. There you go, just pull it out. Alright, so yeah. I'll turn on its bottom here, or on its back. Quite a heavy fan. Okay, so here we have half of the tag here. I thought the whole tag was there. Anyway, see where it said General Electric, portable, probably 20-inch fan or something like that, 120 volts. Made in USA, it would have said. I want to know where the other half of that tag went. Oh. Either way, you already got the model number, and I thought I had it, but apparently not. Oh well. Either way, that's my GE. And, leave a comment if you want. And, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.